G'day everyone, Tim from High Pressure Cleaning Gold Coast. Just touching base, we've had a few questions from clients, how often they should get their house cleaned, why should they? A house is one of the biggest investments you're ever going to make in your life, and maintaining that and looking after it is critical. But some people on the Gold Coast that live close to the ocean, you've got a lot of sea spray which is very corrosive for everything in your house. People that live more inland, you've got the issue of the trees, mould, debris falling down, bird feces. But once again, all those contaminants that are left on your house, on your property, degrades the surface, whether it's tiled, painted, rendered, everything gets dramatically affected. Cleaning your house should be no different to cleaning your car. If you're left unattended, neglected, it's going to devalue the product, the house, and you'll end up spending quite a bit more money to rectify the issue. So very important, scheduled, regular house washing.